I wanna show you guys one quick trick how to generate random numbers in Excel. Let's go! Please, don't do it manually, like in this example where you have to assign the ID to each name and surname. We write equal, open the quotes, ID, quotes, ampersand, run between, we write our bottom number, comma, and we write our top number. Press enter and drag the formula down to each cell. In 1 second we get our result. We are going also to do for the simple number. We write equal, run between, we write the bottom number, comma, and top number. Drag the formula down. If you do it to few times, you will notice that this formula generates sometimes the duplicate numbers. And this is the issue with this function.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.